Hello kids, welcome to the class of SST class 3. The chapter number is 11, Means of Travel. Introduction. Traveling involves the movement of people from one place to another. People travel for works, to go to school or the nearby market, and even to visit relatives and friends living in another town or city. For this purpose, people use different means of traveling. In this chapter, you will study about the different means of traveling. So kids, today in this chapter, you all are going to study about the different means of traveling which people use to travel from one place to another. So kids, traveling का मतलब होता है जब कोई पर्सन एक प्लेस से दूसरी जगह पे मूव करता है, दैट इज नोन एज द ट्रैवलिंग. अब लोग जो है ट्रैवलिंग काफ़ी सारे मल्टीपल पर्पसेस के लिए करते हैं, जैसे मार्केट्स जाने के लिए, ऑफिस जाने के लिए, स्कूल्स जाने के लिए, नियर बाय मार्केट्स में, एंड इवन अपने रिलेटिव्स या फ्रेंड्स को दूसरे टाउन्स और सिटीज़ में जाने के लिए, मिलने के लिए. Nowadays, there are several modes of traveling available to you. Different vehicles are used to go from one place to another. So kids, आज के टाइम पे काफ़ी सारे डिफरेंट व्हीकल्स आपको अवेलेबल है, विच आर द मॉडर्न व्हीकल्स, जिसके थ्रू जो है आप एक प्लेस से दूसरी जगह ट्रैवल कर सकते हो. Means of travel. Different means of travel are used to carry people and goods from one place to another. Today you can travel by air, land or water. It depends on the place and time and the money you can spend. So kids, ये depend करता है कि आप कौन सा mode of transport use करोगे on the factors such as the place where you want to go, the time in which you want to go, and the money you can spend. इस हिसाब से you can choose the mode of transport, either land, water or air. You must know, going from one place to another is called traveling. Travel on land. Most people travel on land. Buses, taxis, rickshaws, autos, cars, motorbikes, jeeps, trains, scooters, e-rickshaws and metro trains are used to cover long distances on land. So kids, mostly people जो travel करते हैं वो land के through ही travel करते हैं. इसमें जो vehicles होते हैं which are car, bikes, scooters, e-rickshaws, metro lines, railways, buses, tractors, motorbikes, etc., in which they can cover the long distance on land. Rickshaws, e-rickshaws and bicycles are used to travel short distance. To transport goods from one place to another by road, we use trucks, tankers, containers and good trains. So kids, अगर आपको short distance पे travel करना है within the city, so आप rickshaws and e-rickshaws का use कर सकते हो. लेकिन अगर आपको सामानों को transport करना है, goods को transport करना है, तो you can use the trucks, tractors, containers और good rails, which is known as the मालगाड़ी. Truck, bus, this is tanker, this is e-rickshaw. All these are the means of traveling on land. अगर आपको land पे travel करना है, so these all are the means. Traveling in the air. Vehicles which can fly in the air or space are called the means of air transport. So kids, वो vehicles जो air में और space में fly कर सकते हैं, उड़ सकते हैं, उन्हें means of air transport कहा जाता है. People travel in aeroplane to cover long distances in a very short time. There are places, especially islands, where can only be reached by traveling through the air. So kids, अगर लोगों को long distance travel करने हैं बहुत ही short period of time में, so definitely they will use the air mode of transport, which is aeroplanes. And ऐसे कुछ जगहें हैं जहाँ पे सिर्फ आप जो है by air ही जा सकते हो, like islands. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the modes of traveling in air. It is a very expensive mode of travel. So kids, इसमें जो types of means हैं, that is the aeroplanes and helicopters, and it is a very expensive mode of travel. And kids, this is the picture of aeroplane. Traveling in water. Boats, ships and steamers are the means of water transport. Heavy and bulky goods are sent from one place to another by sea. So kids, अगर ट्रैवल करना है वाटर के थ्रू, सामान शिप करवाना है वाटर के थ्रू, सो आप जो है बोट्स, शिप्स और स्टीमर्स का यूज़ करते हो. जो हैवी गुड्स, बल्कि गुड्स होते हैं वो आप सीज के थ्रू भेजते हो. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बाय वाटर इज द चीपेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. एंड किड्स, जो चीपेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है दैट इज वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. India is a big shipping industry. There are 11 major ports all over India. port is the place where goods and passengers are loaded and unloaded. So kids, India जो है एक big shipping industry है. पूरी इंडिया के अंदर टोटल 11 मेजर पोर्ट्स हैं एंड पोर्ट्स वो एरियाज होते हैं, वो प्लेसेस होते हैं जहाँ पे पैसेंजर्स एज वेल एज गुड्स को लोड और अनलोड किया जाता है ऑन दी वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट्स. Boat, ship and steamer, all these are the means of traveling in water. Generally in our country, all three means of transport are used, but some parts of India which are surrounded by dense forest or high hills, some important animals are used to carry heavy loads. So kids, mostly majoritarily पूरी कंट्री में जो है जनरली तीन ही टाइप के मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज किए जाते हैं, लेकिन इंडिया में कुछ ऐसे पार्ट्स हैं जहाँ पे जो कवर्ड है हाई हिल्स से या डेंस फॉरेस्ट से, सो वहाँ पे जो है एनिमल्स का यूज किया जाता है हैवी लोड्स को कैरी करने के लिए. कैमल इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रैवल इन द डेजर्ट एरियाज. सो किड्स, अगर डेजर्ट एरियाज में ट्रैवल करना है, सो द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एनिमल इज कैमल. लेट्स रिकॉल. सो किड्स, क्विकली जो है आप सारी चीजें रिवाइज करते हैं. To travel, you need various means of transport like roadways, waterways, and airways. To transport or transfer goods from one place to another by road, trucks, tankers, containers, etc. are used. So kids, अगर आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रैवल करना है और गुड्स को भी ट्रैवल कराना है, so you can use the roadways, airways, and waterways. अगर आपको हैवी गुड्स को ट्रांसफर करवाना है, ट्रांसपोर्ट करवाना है, so you can use the containers, tractors, trucks, as well as the rail goods. Vehicles that fly in the air are called the means of air transport. वो vehicles जो एयर में ट्रांसपोर्ट हो पाते हैं, फ्लाई हो पाते हैं, बेसिकली दे आर कॉल्ड द मीन्स ऑफ एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू एयर इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव मोड ऑफ ट्रैवल एंड एयर के थ्रू ट्रैवल करना सबसे एक्सपेंसिव होता है. इंडिया हैज अ बिग शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री. कैमल इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रैवल इन द डेजर्ट एरिया. सो किड्स, जो इंडिया है वो बिग शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री है. कैमल जो है मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एनिमल है while traveling in the deserts. Check your knowledge, multiple choice questions, MCQs. A. Take the correct option. 1. Traveling involves the movement of dash from one place to another. A. Animals. B. People. C. Things. It is B. People. 2. Dash are used to cover long distances. A. Trucks. B. Rickshaws. C. Bicycles. It is A. Trucks. 3. Dash is a very expensive mode of travel. A. Train. B. Car. C. Aeroplane. It is C. Aeroplane. 4. Where the goods and passengers are loaded and unloaded. A. Railway station. B. Port. C. Airport. It is B. Port. B. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. 1. Dash transport is the cheapest means of transport. Water. 2. The fastest way to travel is by the dash is air. 3. Dash is the mode of traveling in the air. Aeroplane. 4. Dash are used to travel short distances. Bicycles. 5. We should walk on the dash side of the road. Left. C. Write true or false against each statement. 1. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. True. 2. Transportation by air is the expensive means. True. 3. We use bikes to cover long distance. False. 4. India has a small shipping industry. False. D. Match the following. 1. Bus, taxi, car. Means of land transport. 2. Boat, ship, steamer, means of water transport. 3. Aeroplane and helicopter, means of air transport. 4. Bicycle and rickshaw, used in traveling short distances. Subjective questions E. Think and write. 1. What do you mean by traveling? Traveling means movement of a person from one place to another. 2. Why do you travel? Give 2 reasons. We travel due to the following reasons. Number 1, to meet our relatives and friends. Number 2, to go to our workplaces or to go to the schools. 3. What are the advantages of water transport over land transport? The advantages of water transport over land transport is: number 1, water transport is the cheapest means of transport. Number 2, water transport is used to carry the heavy and bulky objects and goods articles very easily. 4. Which is the fastest means of transport and why? The fastest means of transport is the air transport because it carries the very long distances in the shortest time of period. 5. How are goods transported from one place to another on the road? The goods are transported from one place to another on the road through the following vehicles. Number 1 is through containers, number 2 through trucks, number 3 is from the goods rails, and number 4 is from the tractors. Creative zone, life skills. Make a collage of various means of transportation. Also write a short paragraph on the advancement of various means of transport. So kids, आपको जो है various means of transport के ऊपर collage बनाना है and उसके बाद आपको जो है short paragraph लिखना है on the topic which is the advancement of various means of transport. यानी काफ़ी सारे means of transport में advancement हुई है, उस पर आपको एक paragraph लिखना है. Paste the pictures of various bullet trains of different countries and write the name of country. So kids, यहाँ पे जो आपको different countries की bullet trains की pictures को paste करना है and वो particular bullet train कौन सी country को belong करती है वो भी names आपको लिखने हैं, the name of the country. Let's discuss. If you want to go to Mumbai in a short time, which means of travel will you use? Discuss with your friends. So kids, अगर आपको मुंबई जाना है in a short time, तो आप कौन सा means of transport use करोगे वो आपको अपने friends के साथ discuss करना है. So kids, to cover the distances in the short period of time, you will use the air transport. Thank you kids. I hope you enjoy the learning. See you in next class.